Hey, if you are wondering where's the server boost on the Discord, well, let me quickly explain. Take a look. When you go here into the settings and then click on the server boost, we can see all of those improvements. So we can boost server in the 3 levels, and this is all advantages that we will get for a specific level. So for example, on the level 3, we will get the maximum slots of emoji up to 250. The same for the stickers, from 30 on the second to 60 on the third. Also some increased audio quality, or for example bigger upload size limit. So here basically on that list you can just simply check this. Of course this can actually change over the time, so if you are watching this video like 1 year later, basically do not look at, just go straight to these options and take a look how it looks currently for a specific date and the time.